Welcome to BenchIQ, your source to coach smarter. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and customize your BenchIQ Editor. One of the things I love most about BenchIQ is that it is completely customizable. You can set up your editor to match your workflow, and it retains its settings every time you log in. The two main areas to configure are the toolbar and the steps panel. The steps panel currently is down here at the bottom of the screen, and you can configure this a couple different ways. You can pin it to the bottom or the right of the page. You can also click this hide button, which minimizes it, and it gives you a fuller view of your rink. So bringing it back out, I can pin it to the bottom or move it to the side. I can also change the width of the description and title text areas, and the same thing for when it's pinned to the right. This can be expanded to be larger or smaller, which gives you a better visibility of each step's diagrams, as well as typing areas for your descriptions for each of those steps. Now, the second area that you can customize is the toolbar. So pinning this to the bottom, we're going to take a look at the settings for the toolbar. The toolbar icons can be also pinned to the top, to the bottom, to the left, or to the right of the screen, just by simply changing the settings. Now, you can also change what version of the toolbar you're looking at. So for instance, if I have it at the top and I want to change it to icons only, I can minimize those down. Sometimes this is a lot easier to use on a mobile device or an iPad. And then I can also expand it back up to labels, or I can get the full expand toolbar showing me all the icons all at once. Now, my preferred setup is to have the collapse to slim, and I keep it pinned to the bottom of my screen. I also like using the steps pinned to the right of my screen. So as I'm building my drills, I can quickly add my descriptions and titles and then build out my steps for each animation or progression of a drill as I'm moving through it. Now, if I have a very complex animation or a long drill that has multiple steps to it, or maybe I'm doing a long comprehensive film study where I'm building multiple clips and reels, I'll pin the steps to the bottom, and I'll move this over so I can see more of my steps through that progress. So now that you know how to customize the toolbars, the steps panels, you can get into drawing with some of the tools and features of the editor itself. And we'll cover those in a later video. So thanks for joining us. If this video helped, click subscribe for more BenchIQ tutorials and coaching tips. And be sure to check out benchiq.hockey for the full platform. Thanks for watching. See you on the bench.